Welcome back, boys. You know where we're at. We're in the woods. We got the crew back together again. Steelhead fishing. Millie, you're on net duty. Come on, girl. You got it.
I don't like it.
All right. You know the spot, ladies and gentlemen.
Favorite thing to do?
Under the log.
Under the load.
Here, film your sister.
Look at me! It's me, Amalia. I believe in you.
Careful, girl. Careful.
It's super slippery.
We're a little flooded out here, so I'm gonna need to help them cross. I didn't know.
I can step in the water.
Oh, you can. You got muck boots. Go ahead.
Okay. Just follow me. Hold my hand.
Don't fall. I won't hear the end of it from your mother.
The birds are laughing at us.
I know, right?
You mini birds.
All right.
I like this one. Oh, shoot.
Oh. Oh.
What about my new shoes? What happened all the time? I seen you fall.
Really steelheady.
Dad, help.
I just seen something jump out of the water. All right, hey, no throwing stuff in the water. Keegan, no getting too close to the water. Keegan, Millie, no yelling. Millie. Bruh. Is that tall enough?
Yeah. But can I get in?
Food's in here. All right, you guys got that figured out. This spot looks dialed. You know the spot, boys. A little flooded out, but no more snow. Should be all right. What you got there?
Some cottage cheese milk.
Are you guys getting dialed? A little bit of magic sauce on there.
Magic sauce.
I'll put one more in there. One more for the one time.
Only one more for the sugar girl.
Give me that.
Like that.
Yeah, you don't need to be having the real stuff right now. You're too crazy. Okay?
It's pretty out.
Ain't it? Taste test.
It's a 6 out of 9 out of the million.
Cheese stick over here. All right. I think I might do the fly rod first. Tip it with some shrimpy dew. Oh yeah. That's straight gasolina, boys.
Dad, look, I'm hooked for the wire. See?
I see that. I think they're just a bunch of small fish. All right, who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it, boys?
Me, I want it. Give it to me. Take me over there so I can have it.
Sheesh.
Take me over there. That's your
What did we get today?
something that I don't even know.
That's a rainbow trout. Oh my gosh. Nope, I still got it.
I'm super scared. Jesus made me only for the right.
Hey, do not fall from there. Who wants to hold it?
Me. Let me hold
Pass it, pass it, pass it.
Hold it, hold. Well. Here, Dad. I'll hold it. Yeah, it's super slippery.
Oh my gosh. See ya.
Yeah, let it go.
Well, welcome back. This is day what, like 3 or something? Trying to catch something.
Yeah.
We went up to we went up to Michigan and
we got these my favorite.
didn't get anything.
Yeah, we didn't caught. But
But this is our second day here. Got the snackle box.
Yeah, because
Got them all dialed in. I brought them their rods. We'll see what we can get into. Stay tuned. Oh, I had something, yeah. That was my first cast. This is my second cast, but just a hook. Weight about 3.5 feet down to some shrimpy shrimp. Oh, dude, what? I gotta. Okay. All right. All right. Might be small stuff in there again, but we're getting bites and all. Yep, small stuff. Girls, look at this. Oh.
Are you
Yeah.
keeping it?
I don't know. Oh, no, it's too small. Oh, okay. That's rainbow. Oh, that's a nice one. I got a net right there. Now, would that be a rainbow or a coho? Should we keep it?
Yeah. We're doing a catch and cook. Do they make bubbles? Because we're asking that fish we caught. Fire at home is really dangerous, okay? Yeah. Don't even try to do it. The fire pit, on the weekend, and we should come in, you know what we should do?
All them.
Then.
We don't need all them.
Super windy out here. Yes.
You guys want to eat this trout?
I had a trout before.
They have.
Oh, no recording.
Yeah.
Oh, it's loud. I tried it and it didn't go.
All right, who wants to dispatch the fish?
Me!
Wow.
My turn.
There you go. It already happened.
No. Sorry. Hey, he's still alive.
All right.
There we go. That's how you dispatch him.
Jeez. You guys like doing that, huh?
Yeah. He did it before. I'm evil. And
Oh, wow.
I'm evil with fish.
You gotta be nice.
Okay. I'll be nice to them only if the viewers like and subscribe. I'm so sorry.
Let me see if I remember how to cut. If this is a rainbow trout, it should be pretty easy.
It's only going to be for like enough for 2 people, I bet. Down below in the comments.
In a minute.
Oh, is that the guts?
Yeah. I remember that, and then I remember that you're gonna wanna take your thumb, get that.
I would not this with Is it a female or
Get that bloodline out.
Is it a female?
No.
It's a boy.
Well, it didn't have eggs, if that's what you're asking. Get that bloodline out.
I
There
did
we go. All cleaned up, ready to rock. Aluminum. Boom. Boom. Be nice if we had some butter.
I think we're gonna need more fire.
No, this is perfect. Shouldn't take too long. Cook with it.
There's a poop.
Yeah.
Don't tell me that's getting this way.
Keegan already started eating my steak.
Can't help herself to a kid who loves steak.
What about me?
Mommy?
With this.
Me too. Why does it look like that?
Cause it's pretty much steamed slash baked slash goodness.
That is so cool, right guys, that he can open it.
Little black pepper and salt.
Oh, that's looking good.
Oops. I do have some sweet and sour sauce. I really want to get into it. I'm getting some hot sauce out for me. Come down here. Look at that, just flakes right off.
So good.
White meat. Put salt on it. Black pepper.
Mmm. Oh. Mmm. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, 10
Really?
out of 10.
Take it, take it, take it, take it.
Is it 10 out of 10? Oh, yeah. Anybody say 10 out of 10?
Melly, come here. Come try it. Come on.
No. Oh. I wouldn't eat that.
That is really good. It's gonna be a nibble, okay?
Wait.
Bussin'. Oh. Okay, okay. You spit it out. It's fine. You don't have to like it. Grab some water, Miller. It can't be that bad. Okay, you want some more?
Yeah. Oh.
It's straight fall off the bone.
Fun fact about me. Number 1, I can eat super fast.
Steak.
I'll cook stuff again.
Yeah.
Nobody restart to my... It's time to eat.
Mel, you want to taste?
That's good. No, it's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I'm not going to movies.
Ooh, that's really good with hot sauce, actually.
You're eating all that thing?
Mm-hmm.
Even the head?
Yeah.
Are you eating the head?
There's a little bit. This isn't the head, Keegan. There's a little spine. So careful. I think this thing's so soft. If you do eat a spine, it'll just disintegrate anyways.
Eat the spine then. Oh, there you go.
All right, here we go.
I want. Can you eat the spines? I think so.
I meant like the little bone. Keegan, you want me to try this eyeball?
Yeah.
Here we go. Eyeball.
That's what it
Ready?
looks like in the inside of an eyeball? Oh, you're nasty. Yes. What's that taste? Try it with hot sauce.
I tried it with hot sauce, so it's kind of hard to say. You want to try?
Ew! No, no, no.
All right, you don't have to, but here you go. No hot sauce this time.
Nope. Nasty. Did it taste like a bone of
It's
meat?
chewy.
What's it taste like? Tastes
Little
like
fishy.
a gummy. Does it taste like a gummy?
Tastes like a gummy bear.
Gummy, gummy. I'm a gummy bear.
Look at that.
Don't you remember the Gummy Bear song?
Oh! No way! What in the world was that? That was a horrible hook set, is what that was. Oh my goodness. Dude, that was awesome. Just pulled off on the side of the road here after dropping off the girls. Oh my goodness. That was a big fish. Whatever that was. Oh my god. Like I said, just pulled off on the side of the road here. Sun's about to go down. I didn't have a fish in it. If I was to catch that fish, it would have been a struggle. This spot is such a dialed spot too. Oh, good God. Yay! Fish until the sun goes down. Isn't that every young man's dream? Well, if it ain't, it should be. I don't know what I'm going to turn this video into, but I know the uploads have been kind of scarce here lately. It's been pretty bad in Indiana with flooding. I think I've heard from pretty much everywhere. So all the creeks are blown out, ponds are blown out, so content's been kind of low. Maybe I should go ride my bike next time. That's always a thought. If can't do one, do the other. But we'll see if we can't get back on track of weekly uploading. You know, this channel is based on uploading content that has anything to do with outdoors. If you're new to this channel, that's what it's about. Gosh dang it. Thank you. If you're new to this channel, that's what it's about. Outdoors, fishing, mountain biking, camping, based on around all that kind of stuff. Thinking about doing some kind of underwater content. Here's a couple YouTubers that I watch, and that kind of inspired me to do that. That seems really fun. So let me know if that sounds like a good idea. And as always, thanks for fishing with me, and I will catch you guys next week.